What's the meaning of black rod? Black rod. Black rod.
Black rod. Black rod. Black rod is an official title given to the senior officer of the House of Lords in the United Kingdom. The black rod is responsible for maintaining order and discipline within the chamber, as well as leading ceremonial events and opening the state opening of Parliament. The name black rod comes from the black staff that the officer carries as a symbol of their authority. The role dates back to the 14th century and has evolved over time to encompass both practical and symbolic duties. Today, the black rod is an important figure in the British parliamentary system and represents the authority of the Crown within the House of Lords.